Let's understand Hamara Bharat, Incredible India, in this video. Have you ever imagined meeting friends from many parts of Bharat in one big hall? Picture your classroom full of children from hills, coasts, and plains, all smiling. A teacher stands and asks, "Are you ready to meet friends from different places?" The students cheer and they shout together, "Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat," meaning One India, Great India. The teacher asks what this program really means, and the class tries to explain. First, Bharat is famous for wise and brave people who have done many great things. People from other lands have always come to see our rich and diverse culture. This cultural mix makes our country very special, like a big, colorful quilt. People of different languages and customs live together peacefully, and this is called unity in diversity. Bharat is also full of natural beauty, with rivers, lakes, tall mountains, and green forests. These places are home to many plants, animals, and birds, which makes our land rich and lively. All this people, culture, and nature helps Bharat grow and win respect around the world. Now, the story on the screen shows many small boxes, each with a child from a different region. Akansha from Uttarakhand talks about Aipan, a folk art made with white rice paste on red backgrounds. Families make Aipan during festivals, and women draw simple flower and geometric designs on floors and walls. Next, Priya Ranjan from Odisha explains Dhokra, a very old metal craft, nearly 4,000 years old. He tells how artisans first make shapes in clay, then coat them with wax and add fine details in the wax. Then they cover it again with clay, heat it so the wax melts away, and pour hot brass into the space left by the wax. When the metal cools and the outer clay is removed, a beautiful metal figure appears. Chitra from Kerala describes coconut shell craft, where shells are cleaned, smooth, shaped, and polished to make bowls and jewelry. These coconut shell items are useful, pretty, and kind to the earth because the shells are biodegradable. Balamurli from Andhra Pradesh tells us about Kondapalli toys, made from soft, light wood from nearby hills. Artisans carve parts, join them with a special paste, add details, and paint bright colors showing folk stories and village life. Each child shows us the creativity, skill, and meaning behind their local craft or tradition. These crafts are part of our heritage, passed down from grandparents to children and then to new children. The video teaches us to know, value, and protect these traditions so they do not disappear. So, what do we learn from this? We learn that different cultures and arts make our nation strong and beautiful. We learn that respect and cooperation keep people together, even if they are different. Let us quickly remember the main points. Many cultures, natural beauty, special crafts, and unity in diversity. So today we learnt about Aipan, Dokra, coconut shell craft, and Kondapalli toys, and why they matter. Keep asking questions, be curious about other places, and try to learn one small thing about another state. Remember, caring for culture and nature helps our nation stay prosperous and proud for the future. Thank you for listening. Keep exploring stories like this and learn more gently on EduRev when you want to know more.